Hello, this is Janice. I am back to make another video. Today, I will be showing you how to make a tasty cactus rice cheese burrito. In order to make these cactus rice cheese burritos, you will need flour tortillas, cooked and diced cactus, rice of your choice, cheddar cheese grated, salsa or sour cream. That's optional. The first step is to cook the rice of your choice on a pan and cook the cactus on a different pan. And when they're both done, you can start making your burritos. Okay, now the rice and the cactus is cooked, and now it's time to warm up the tortillas. Okay, now the tortilla is all warmed up. Now I will be scooping out some rice out of my pan and put it on the tortilla. The next thing, I will be putting some cooked cactus in my burrito. Then, if you like to put some salsa in your burrito, that's okay. And you can also add some sour cream to your burrito. Then you have all your ingredients in your burrito, and now you just roll it up. And now you have your burrito. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you will enjoy these burritos. If you do, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be making some more videos on cooking and crocheting. Thank you. Bye.